welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn to making sunflowers from papers. Before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. For that we need a paper. Take a square yellow paper, fold it into small triangle. Fold it into a small triangle. Once again you fold into a triangle. Now once more you have to fold into smaller triangle. Finally you get this shape. You mark petals in this shape. Now cut this shape. Now unfold. Open it very carefully. Once again take another paper. Repeat the same process. Take a glue and stick both the shapes. Now from the one side, take the tip of the paper, green paper, and roll to form a stem of the flower. Glue at the end to fix it. Fold into half. We'll get the shape of the leaf. Now stick the leaf. Glue the back side of the flower and paste the stick. Now take one leaf, apply little glue, allow it to fix it properly, and take just small piece of green paper. Make small cuts. Be careful you don't cut way throughout, and paste in the middle of the petals. allowed to fix properly. See, our sunflower is ready. So comment me friends, did you like this flower making idea, and have you tried this flower ever? Bye bye friends.